Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram cache problem today. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow me all steps. I hope solve your problem. First, open your Play Store, search Instagram, and update your Instagram app. Your Instagram app is updated. Now back on home screen and go to your phone setting. Scroll down, find apps, click on apps, search Instagram, click on Instagram, click on storage, click on clear cache or clear data. And restart your device. Now click on restart. After your device restarts, now open your Instagram app. Now finally open your Instagram app. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.